Hello, dear children. So, how are you all? I hope everybody very fit and fine and doing regular revisions of all the previous chapters, right, dear children? So, childrens, very soon your exam will be start. So, all of you revise well and very nicely. So, look at these children. What a nice flower, right? It's very attractive. What a nice many. This is also one other flower. My God, what a nice color. See, what a nice looking of the colors and everything's. And children's, you see different colors of the what another. So what a nice children, see the another flower also, and its color changes, and it's also look very attractive, right, dear childrens? So see the very nice flowers on the screen, and another flower. So what a nice children, when we observe very nicely in the outside any flower, what a nice attractive of colors, what a colors of flower and flower bloomings, what a nice on various places you can observe how flower bloom, and what a nice another flower you can see here. What a nice now children, it is white flowers. Okay, so various places you can observe, and there is brightest some flowers brightest yellow colors. Okay, and very nicely blue flowers shining. So various flower you can observe in the various places. Another flower you see here, another flower children. So I think you are very much likely to see this all the flowers, and when early morning if you see the flowers blooming very nicely, and it's look very attractive children's, right children's? So such a beautiful environments we can observe, and what a nice another flower children's, look at the very nicely pictures, and this is real. You have seen the nature gifted a lot of attractive things, and that's what you can see the flowers, one of the very nice nature's beauty you can observe in your surrounding children's, in your surrounding various flowers are there, my dear children. So all of you observe, so you also feel very nice when you see the different color of the flowers, my dear children, in these environments. So all of you please observe the everything's in the whatever the new flowers are there. You can see, what can you identify which flower is this? Can you identify children which flower is this? Yes, write in comments which flower is this one. Write this in comments. Yes, my dear children. So today, my dear children, a new chapter. I think you understand what is the new chapters from this looking of various flower picture. Yes, my dear children, the new chapter is chapter 11, the Valley of Flowers. So it is very nice chapter. You get a lot of interest and many things you learn in this chapter, my dear childrens. What a beautiful things you can observe in the environment, and these flowers. Okay, so let's start this chapter 11, the Valley of Flowers. So all of you, my dear children, very nicely pay attention and see the video up to the last, my dear children. At the last there is some questions, so all of you watch this video very sincerely, and very nicely you have to solve the questions in your classwork copy. Yes, my dear students, so let's start a very new chapters. All of you very nicely sit straight and just see the video. So children's, the Valley of Flower. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. Yes, children. So Valley of Flowers is one of the best beautiful place on the earth, children's. Yes, my dear children. And children's, Valley of Flower is famous for its colorful and variant flowers, which makes the beautiful scenery covering flowers beautiful. So children, that beautiful place is called the Valley of Flowers. Yes, children, where there's are flower everywhere. So children, in some places one sees red flower blooming on bushes, while in others one can find white flowers peeping out between the stones. What a amazing, children! If you see outside in your surrounding also, so you can also observe that some places you can observe the red flower blooming on bushes, and in some places the different color also, right? So nowadays you can observe it, children, very nicely. There are, children's, wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flower. So what a nice this describing the scenery of the valley of flowers. There is a wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers, and suddenly elsewhere blue flowers shining like tiny stars between the grass. So what a nice comparison! The blue flower is compared with the tiny star. Very nicely, children, here it's shining. The blue flower is shining like tiny stars between the grass. So nice comparisons. What a nice, children's. You can see such a nice, like a star is shining, and same like flowers. So here flower will compare with the very nicely stars. Yes, children. So all this seems like a beautiful dream. Yes, children, it's a very beautiful dream, right? So why, children, it is a very beautiful dream for us? Because like a dream, this flower bloom only for a few weeks in the years. Yes, my dear children. So that is a dream. So you also visit that place very nicely. Nowadays you can also plant some flowers in your garden. Yes, my dear children, all of you plant few flowers in your garden, and when it will be bloom, you also feel very, very happy. Yes, my dear children, so all of you do this. In these days you can do very nicely plantations, very nicely, everybody. All of you plant one very nice flowers, and it will be bloom. You feel very happy to see, right, children? So you make your garden as a valley of flowers. Yes, my dear children, so all of you do this. Yes, of course, very good, very. So children's, you can close your eyes and imagine that you have reached such a place. Just everybody just close and see how you feel, children. How you feel, write in comments. Write in comments, children, how you feel when you close your eyes and imagine that place. You reach over there, watch a valley of flowers, that place. Yes. So children, what we understand, that flowers are different shapes, size, colors, and so that it's look very attractive. Different flowers have different colors, right, children? So children, all of you see one video.
Flowers can be of different size, shape, color, and smell. They grow on trees, bushes, and creepers. Gulmohar and kadam flowers grow on trees. Rose and hibiscus flowers grow on bushes. Champa flowers grow on creepers, and lotus grows in water.